Hey fam, there's so much I want to say in this video, but I probably will forget it, or perhaps I'll have to edit and add into the video. Again, this is week one of me going from $0 to $10,000 a month. Okay, number one. Um, oh, let me set you guys up to where I am. I'm sure you may hear it in the background, so let me just chilling here on the beach. Okay, that's me. I'm just chilling here, having a one-on-one with you guys. This video is meant to serve as motivation to you guys. So when I am profitable, you can look back and say, "Hey, all started from zero." And from my side, it's a journal on how I started from nothing and made it to becoming profitable. Okay, from my side, number one is I've made the conscious decision that I'm gonna I'm gonna stop messing around and I'm gonna become profitable. Um, I know Nick Stewart in his videos, which I'll link in the bottom and probably provide a clip here. He speaks of when he became profitable, he made a decision, a conscious decision that this is what he wants and this is what he's gonna do. And
There was really two things that went into the level up in my maturity. I think I would use that word, maturity, right? I started to get mature in the markets because number one, I had empty promises that I've been making to my wife for years, right? That I needed to fulfill as a man. Also, my wife was pregnant with our first daughter, so this started to become bigger than me. And I had some money saved up and some hustles going, and I thought, hey, if I don't clean my act up here, I'm going to blow all this money. This is my window. This is my window of opportunity here.
yeah,
And I don't know, man. It was one day I flipped the switch and said, I'm not going to make those mistakes anymore, and just got disciplined, bro. Like extremely disciplined. It was either there or it wasn't. There was no guessing. There was no maybe.
number two, I took a page from Jessica Laine. Oh, what a another powerful video. Jessica Laine said she realized that where she was in her journey, and she's at a point where um, it's a page, or sorry, a chapter of learning. So from my side, I made a conscious decision again to stop live trading and concentrate on back testing and finding my edge. I think at the moment I've been skipping and hopping and not putting cons uh, concentrated effort into getting better. So from my side, it's a bit of realization that come on, you can do better. So that's number two. Um, Deciding that this is my chapter of studying.
I paid over $20,000. And then ultimately, after spending all that money, I lost over $100,000 in my trading account. And at that point, I stopped and I went like literally, I was like, God, I'm gonna need you to help me figure this out. And I locked myself in a room and literally just took down notes of every good thing that I learned from everything that I liked from like basically mentorships that I had taken. I just started just back testing, back to back to back to back to back. I stopped trading. I just was like, right now is the season that I need to learn. And a lot of people, when they trade in, like, you test it and then you try to go try it in your account. And it's like, you haven't perfected the skill yet. So you learning something and then it's like, oh, okay, now let me go trade. Learn something. Okay, now let me go trade. And it don't work like that. Like you got to master the skill set first.
Or
Then
sticking to one strategy. Um, Excuse me. I've realized that um, I got a bit of information paralysis at the moment. Taken a bit from ICT. I've taken a bit from 2Gs. I've also been watching Nick Stewart's, bit of Doyle's supply and demand, and at the moment, I'm even nervous to take um, a trade because I've got a bit of supply and demand and break and retest. So moving forward, I'm throwing everything out and I'm concentrating on one strategy. I'll yeah. So I'll keep you guys informed. Definitely.
You are a strategy hopper. You are a strategy hopper. Stop going on YouTube looking for 5-6 strategies and you only stick it out until you lose. You keep winning trades for that strategy, you lose. Man, this strategy don't work. Let me go to the next one. Ooh, that gave me 1 win and 3 losses. Ooh, let me go to the next strategy. Before you know it, what video is that called? I think it's called The Cycle of Doom. You find a strategy, you lose, tweak it. Or I think it's I don't know, but stop hopping on strategies, man. All you really need is one strategy or maybe 2. All strategies have its losing seasons, bro. You gotta know when those seasons are happening. You haven't even back tested enough to know when your strategy is not effective. You don't even know that. You just keep hopping strategy. Now your mind all over the place. Bro, just stick to 1 to 2 strategies and get great at it. Or maybe just 1 for right now. Just stick to 1 strategy and master it for 6 months to a year, bro. Know the ins and out of this strategy, bro. And then you could maybe implement another strategy, but you don't need more than like 4 strategies. That's you on expert level. You doing that, you probably taking trades every day. I ain't trying to trade every day. So, bro, just stick to 1 strategy, get good at it, and maybe add a second one. Maybe. But you ain't sticking your strategy out long enough to see the good, the bad, and the ugly of the strategy. I want to keep winning. I don't want to lose. That's unrealistic. Okay?
And my loss, and probably the most important thing that I've picked up in our profiling, is discipline in life equals discipline in trading. So moving forward, it's difficult. It's not a tangible, measurable goal, but I'm gonna concentrate on being more disciplined in my life, and I trust that discipline in my life can lead to um, can lead to discipline in my trading. Yeah, definitely.
Okay, things actually started changing last year.
Okay.
So last year I decided that I was going to be consistent.
Yeah.
I know that they say that the key to successful trading is consistency, so I wanted to do that. I mean, I had everything else, but the consistency. So I decided, okay, I'm gonna sit down, make a trading plan, and follow these rules consistently and see where it takes me. So that was like around March, April. I made that promise to myself. I started taking my spirituality seriously. I started taking my health seriously. Everything just started falling into place, and I said, like, even if I continue to blow, even if I fail at this, at least like somewhere down the line I can see that I've made progression. And all I really wanted was the consistency, because before, like I said, I was in and out here and there, not making any huge profits, any huge withdrawals, and then you see other people posting and you're like, I want that too. You see your friends buying cars, buying properties, and you're like, I want that too. So yeah, I just started grinding hard. So
Hey fam, thank you so much for joining. I really hope you enjoyed. Yeah, as I said, no frills. It's just a one-on-one, me being honest with you on my 4 steps on becoming a profitable trader. Let me know what you think about the video, and if there are any points, important points at least, that I've missed. Too much love for you guys, and hope to see you in more videos. Cheers, bye.